If your Google account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Google account notifications for details about the restriction. Understanding the reason for the restriction will help you address it in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect any necessary information that supports your case. This may include screenshots, account activity, or any communications from Google regarding the restriction. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Visit the Google Account Help Center and find the section related to account restrictions. Look for the appeal form specific to your situation and click on it to begin. Step 4. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate and detailed information. Clearly explain why you believe the restriction should be lifted and include any evidence you gathered in Step 2. Step 5. Submit your appeal. After reviewing your appeal for accuracy, submit the form. Be patient, as it may take some time for Google to review your appeal and respond. Once you've submitted your appeal, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Google. Good luck!